Welcome to my channel. I own this Black & Decker LSTE525 trimmer for a bit over 3 years. And this demonstration will show how shortly after I bought it, I modified the safety switch with a spare 4.5-inch galvanized swivel hasp that I found in my toolbox in order to allow me to comfortably hold down the safety switch without having to keep my thumb directly on top of it when doing yard work. First, I want to express in this brief review that this is my primary trimmer, and it's well designed, lightweight, powerful and efficient, safe and reliable. It has virtually no maintenance requirements, especially when compared to gas-powered trimmers. It's cost-effective and very user-friendly. This being said, my only critique is that while the safety feature is a good idea, the safety switch is small, and I found that simultaneously holding down the small safety switch and the trigger at the same time somewhat cumbersome when doing yard work. The equipment for this modification is a 4.5-inch galvanized swivel hasp, 2 14-inch zip ties, and a pair of scissors. As demonstrated, all that needs to be done is to secure the swivel hasp to the trimmer with the zip ties, and then trim the zip ties with the scissors. As a friendly word of caution, please do not disable the safety switch, which serves the purpose of keeping the operator and others safe from harm and accidents. In this demonstration example, the modification is perfect because it doesn't disable the safety switch or any safety features, and at the same time allows me to comfortably hold down the safety switch without having to keep my thumb directly on top of it. If you found this video informative or helpful, please show support for future demonstrations by leaving a like and subscribing to this channel.